Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Wine in Ubuntu 24. For that, first open the browser and go to the link. This is the official link provided by the Wine to how to install in Ubuntu and Debian. I have pasted the link in the description. You can find it from there. Before that, the basic intro about Wine is this is a compatibility tool for Ubuntu to run Windows based system in Ubuntu. So Ubuntu basically is a 64-bit architecture. For installing Wine, Ubuntu must be enabled a 32-bit architecture. The first command is used for enabling 32-bit architecture in the Ubuntu system. So open the terminal and execute the command. Just copy the command from the website and paste it to the terminal. It will enable 32-bit architecture in Ubuntu. Here I am entering my password for that and click enter. Okay. Now go to the next command, that is cat etc/os release. This command is used to find the exact version currently we have installed. So we have installed Ubuntu 24 and the name for Ubuntu 24 is Noble. Just note it out the name Noble for the later purpose. Then go to the next command. The next command is we are used to create a keyring directory. So just copy the command and run in the terminal and move to next command. This is a wget command. So copy complete line and don't make any mistake in that, because this will go to download the keys to install Wine in our system. Now the keys are downloaded and installed in our system. Then move to the distributions. So here we need to match our OS name, like Noble. We already confirmed in the previous sections. So just if your version is not the Noble, then choose what is your exact name. Then copy the corresponding link for installing Wine in your system. Here I am copying the Noble for Noble because my system is Noble. Then open the terminal and paste it here. Just clearing screen for that and paste it. Then hit enter. Now the repository also has been installed. So move to updating our current repo. So because I'm recently added, so that repo must be refreshed or updated in our system. So I am running up. So that way I am running apt-get update. And my repos are updated now. So I'm clearing my screen and going to the next command. Here basically three variables, three type of Wines available to install: stable, development and staging. Each have the separate functions. For now I am going with the stable branch and stable release. Just copying the stable command and paste it in the terminal. Hit enter. It started. Yes, continue. It's take few time to install, and it will take few time to download all required and respected package for the Wine. Just wait to until it's complete. Yes, it's done. Now the Wine is completely installed in our system. Now we can verify using the checking. Let's clear the screen first. Go for Wine 5 version. Yes, we got the response and the version is completely installed.